Automation made easy, but which one stands out, IFTTT or Power Automate? On one side, we have IFTTT, known for its simple triggers and quick setup. On the other, Microsoft's Power Automate, packed with advanced features for pro-level automations. We're putting both to the test in real-life scenarios, integration options, ease of use, pricing, reliability, and more. Forget the marketing talk, we're diving straight into how they actually perform. Each area gets a score, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool pulls ahead. The winner might surprise you which tool pulls ahead. The win might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's map out what we're going to compare. We're talking price, how easy they are to use, integrations, how powerful things get under the hood, business and security options, plus mobile and platform support. Everything you'd want to know if you're picking an automation tool for your life or your work. Let's kick things off with price. IFTTT's got that generous free tier, which, who doesn't love free stuff? Their personal plans aren't going to wreck your budget either. The catch? You do need that pro plan if you want all the bells and whistles. Power Automate, on the other hand, sometimes comes bundled with your Microsoft 365, so if you've already got that for work or school, cool, you might have it. But if you need to buy it standalone, yeah, it gets a little pricey. And Microsoft licensing, it can get complicated fast. So, IFTTT definitely takes this one for most people. Now, moving to ease of use. IFTTT, super simple. Think, point, click, done, even if you're not techie at all. It's kinda made for you if you just want stuff to work, honestly. But fair warning, there's not a ton of customization power. Power Automate? Well, it's got a drag and drop designer and some cool templates, but man, that first look might make you go, what am I looking at? It can feel a bit overwhelming, and there's a learning curve for sure. So, if you want easy, IFTTT wins again here. Integrations. This is where it gets interesting. IFTTT is like the social butterfly of automation, tons of connections to everyday consumer apps, smart home gadgets, social media. If you want your lights to change when your favorite team scores, it's IFTTT all day. Power Automate's more like the business suit, with super deep hooks into Microsoft apps like 365, Dynamics, SharePoint, you name it. But for non-business stuff, it's not as versatile. So for pure integration range, IFTTT edges out, but Power Automate is a beast inside the Microsoft world. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Power Automate actually used to be called Microsoft Flow, and IFTTT, that stands for if this then that. Kinda makes you realize how far these tools have come, right? Now, let's talk about power and advanced logic. Okay, this is where Power Automate flexes hard. It does serious workflows, loops, conditions, getting approvals, handling data, even AI. It's honestly kind of wild. For IFTTT though, it's more like basic triggers and actions. No real branching or error handling. It keeps things simple. But if you need more muscle, Power Automate's got it. This round, it easily goes to Power Automate. Business and security. Alright, Power Automate is built for the enterprise, no doubt. We're talking compliance, policies, audit trails, role-based access, pretty much everything your IT department dreams of. But you do need a Microsoft account, of course. IFTTT has some security basics, but business features, not really their thing. If you need something scalable for your whole team or company, Power Automate is the winner. No contest. And finally, mobile and platform support. Both are actually solid here. IFTTT has slick apps for iOS and Android, though the fancier stuff can be a bit limited on mobile. Power Automate gives you those handy mobile notifications and a decent app for tracking your flows, but honestly, some features are only on desktop. It's kind of a draw, neither is perfect, but both get the job done. So, having looked at it from all sides, if IFTTT dominates anywhere, it's affordability, easy setup, and just connecting your everyday apps without breaking a sweat. Power Automate, though, is like that overachiever in class, maybe a little extra, but if you've got business needs or want hardcore logic, it's seriously powerful. Bottom line, if you're just automating simple stuff in your home or personal accounts, IFTTT is the obvious choice. But if you're deep into Microsoft ecosystem or your workflows look like a subway map, Power Automate is where you want to be. Honestly, you can't go wrong. Just gotta pick what fits your vibe. If you found this helpful, make sure to stick around for more totally unbiased tech battles. I promise, I'll keep it